this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for these brews. Hey, this sound, you know, as a closer speaking person, yabo, I might not know them, like the words, like word for word. But man, it's so easy to vibe to this thing. These brews are found. I don't know what sound is this, but whatever it is, it's fire, bro. So I wanted to react to this, yabo. The North Mob. They drop a music video, yabo. So I wanted to check it out. Let's relax, North Mob. Yo, look at this brew already. Open his mouth. He's ready to cook. He's ready to cook. Cook, jam. Cook. Ay, Kaba. Ewe, naman. Ay, turn up. Ewe, naman. I wonder if I knew Spitori, dog, and I actually could hear what he's saying. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, me right now, I'm just vibing. I don't wanna lie, I'm just vibing, bruh. Cause this shit is fucking fire, man. It's ridiculous. I don't know what he's saying about BA Pagati, but yo, okay, cool. This might be out of pocket, but how old is this lady, dog? This lady's been in the game, but god damn. Utini fanini. Ah, suka. Yo, utini fanini, man. Utini, bra. Leno ithethayo ndiyayithanda, but uthini? Wa, suka yeke. Highway coupe and one got Dimas. Okay. Highway coupe and one got Dimas. Okay, so I'm assuming my brother is driving on a highway in a coupe with shades on. Okay. Bona manyana fair. BA Pagati. BA Pagati is that brew who gives money. He's a money spender. It's highway coupe and man coupe. Man That's no TV sunny na dapi. Nah, that's fire. That shit is fire, chat. I don't wanna lie. That shit is fire. Shout out to the North Mob with this sound. I wanna keep it a buck. I don't understand SPITORI. Yabo. I don't understand Setswana to a certain extent. Like I understand it to a certain level, yabo. But